I've used different autoresponders, starting with uh, Aweber, GetResponse, ConvertKit, Pipedrive, and a host of others. So when I came across GoHighLevel, I was blown away by what it can do, right? And so by far, GoHighLevel is the best all-in-one platform. All right, today we're going to be talking about what is GoHighLevel, and specifically, is it good for you for your local business? Well, let me explain to you what GoHighLevel is. GoHighLevel is a all-in-one platform which gives you the tools, support, and resources that you need. Let me explain to you how I came about GoHighLevel, right? So before I was using, I've been through so many different platforms, you name it, with regard to when it comes to websites, WordPress, Kajabi, ClickFunnels. I've used different autoresponders, starting with Aweber, GetResponse, ConvertKit, Pipedrive, and a host of others. So when I came across GoHighLevel, I was blown away by what it can do, right? And so by far, GoHighLevel is the best all-in-one platform. It could do so much, right? But the question is it good for you as a local business? Is it good for you? And before I answer that, I want to give you my reasons for why I recommend and why we use GoHighLevel. So, right, there's really three reasons. I'm going to go over three reasons why we use GoHighLevel and why I recommend it. And then afterwards, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you my opinion, if you are a local business, whether I would recommend it to you or not, right? My main reason is because it's truly the best all-in-one platform. So when you think about all the capabilities of GoHighLevel, you're basically taking all of the platforms that you would normally maybe pay for, and you combine it, and it's going to save you money. I don't know any other platform that does that. Chatbot. So we have ManyChat, which is typically, when I looked at the pricing, it's about $15 a month if you were to get ManyChat. Now, ManyChat has different levels, so I just took the one that is what I would purchase, which is $15 a month. Calendar, the most familiar one that most people use is Calendly, and that's $15 a month. Email autoresponder, Aweber, Constant Contact, typically about $30 a month. There is Sales CRM, Customer Relation Management Database. Typically, I'm familiar with Pipedrive, and that's $60 a month. There is Reputation Management, which GoHighLevel has a capability as well. Podium, which is very popular, is $249 a month. Now there are lower priced ones like GatherUp and a host of others. They're probably anywhere from $99 to $197. And then there is payments. Now you can probably use Wave Apps, which is free, but typically most people use QuickBooks, which is $30 a month. There are other features of QuickBooks that you can that GoHighLevel doesn't have, but we're talking about minimum. Okay, Social Planner or Social Manager, typically like Hootsuite or a host of others out there, I would say about $30 a month. Funnels, membership, if you use ClickFunnels or Kajabi, it's about $150 a month, right? Websites, which if you think about Wix, the other platforms out there, it's about $30 a month. Affiliate management, which GoHighLevel has that capability. First Promoter is one of the platforms, that's $49 a month. When you add up all of these, it's equivalent to about $660. And if you're looking at GoHighLevel, which starts at, from 97 from one account to unlimited accounts for 297. So that's number one. It's truly a all-in-one platform because it can do all of this in one platform. The second reason why I like it is because the ability to do more by doing less. That's my mantra these days. Okay. It frees up your time with automations. Let me give you three simple examples of the automations that can be done with GoHighLevel. So for example, the ability to respond to missed call text back. So basically when somebody calls your number, your business number or your phone number associated with whatever you're promoting, right? And you miss that call, the ability to respond and automate that process, that is a very simple feature that can be automated with GoHighLevel. The second simple ability is the ability to respond to direct message on social media. So for example, you have various social media platform and GoHighLevel has the ability to have all that conversation in one place, but it also has the ability to respond when you when somebody direct message you a certain keyword. It's a simple, but the implementation of that can free up so much of your time. And you can do that with not only Instagram, but Facebook, Google Business Profile, and also your phone number associated with that account. Okay. And then the third one is the ability to schedule, automate your scheduling, and I'm going to put this together, reputation management. The ability to automate that frees up so much of your time so that when you have these automated, it frees up your time to do other stuff. So basically my mantra, the thing that I'm saying, do more by doing less. And so let the platform do all of this automation, which would normally have somebody else or yourself do it, right? And that's just takes up time, which most business owners don't have. The last item that I like about this platform is really, it's basic, but it's all there in one place. And the most important part is the communication between on all of the social media. Instead of going to various social media platforms, you just have all this communication in one place. The question that I want to really address, is this good for local businesses? Is this good for entrepreneurs or coaches out there? And it depends. When you look at GoHighLevel, their tagline is, it's for agencies by an agency. So what does that mean? It is specifically built for marketing agencies. Okay. And let me repeat that. It is specifically built for agency. And why do I say that? Because if you are a business owner and you're watching this and you're thinking, wow, this is a great platform and I want to get it, and you're looking for a platform to run your business, this is not for you if you are not technically inclined and you don't have time to sit down and set this business up. But if you are somebody that has challenges with technology or platforms in general, this is not for you. What I recommend is you go find an agency that they're utilizing GoHighLevel to build their business. And so GoHighLevel is a very complex system. The support that's surrounding GoHighLevel is, and the community that's surrounding GoHighLevel, it's mostly digital marketing agencies. And so if you're a business owner and you purchase GoHighLevel thinking that you're going to go and utilize the system, you're likely to get frustrated with the lack of support and complexity of the platform. I'm just saying that because I know from experience and from working with various business owners. And so what I recommend is if you are a business owner or you're a local business owner or a coach or an entrepreneur and would like to utilize the features of GoHighLevel, I do recommend you find an agency that's utilizing GoHighLevel, right? I also have a platform. So if that's you, then go check out pro360.io. I'm going to put in the description. You can also contact me directly. And if you want a demo or you would like more information about it, you can direct message me directly and we can discuss it. If you do have any questions, put your comments below in the description, and bye for now.